Hi children, very good morning everyone. How you all are? Yeah, nice, very fine of you children. I am also fine, thank you. Please don't come out of your houses. Please stay at home. Please be safe and don't irritate your parents. Okay, very nice. I think you will not irritate as you are all good students. As you all know, today we are starting our chapter. We are continuing our chapter, the area and perimeter. Before going to the starting of the chapter, we will start our class with a thought. As you all know, thought will give the inspiration for you all and you need to follow the thought. And the today's thought is try and try until you get succeeded. Success means it is a winning place. So you should try until you get success. See, first day if you try, if you fail, again you try, again if you fail, and the third day you will get little winning, little. Next, the fourth day you try, you will get more. Like that, until you get succeeded completely, you should try and try until you get succeeded. Okay, next, as we are dealing with our chapter, area and perimeter, we'll continue the chapter, children. Everyone, very good of you children, everyone posted their homeworks. And children, as I'll post the homework today, before at 4 o'clock. You should post me the homework next day, means tomorrow before 4 o'clock only you should post the homework. Yeah, very nice of you children. I think you all have understood. So now, did you all of you bring your belongings like your studios, companions, classworks, everything with your pen, pencils? Yeah, very nice. Pencils and erasers also. Now, open your studios, everyone. As you all know, day before yesterday, we have learnt about the pine trees. And in the yesterday's class, we have learnt the calculation of the area in the square gauge by a particular shape. Yes or no? By counting the squares, you have given the area of that particular page. Everything you have posted, I think. You have pasted the squares in that square grid also. Yeah, very nice children, very good of you. And today's class we will deal with the page number 6 in your studio. Now you see children, here is also a square grid for you, but in that square grid also you have a particular shape. It is like an oval shape. Which shape? Yeah, it is oval shape. In that oval shape you have a green color and blue color squares. What color? Green color and blue color squares. Yeah, now what we should do means you should find the area of that oval. We should find the area of that oval. See here, this is a oval shape. You should find the area of that oval. Now, very nice. You see children, to find the area of a shape made by a curved line. See, it is not in a proper shape. You have curved lines here. See. See children, here the oval is in curve shape. Yes or no? If they are in the curve shape also, we can find the area. See, we find the total number of full squares and more than half squares inside the shape. Inside this oval shape, we will find the full squares. Then we will find the more than half squares inside the shape. So then we don't consider the less than half. You know the difference between half, more than half and less than half. Yes or no children? Half means a square lo half. More than half ante half kante koncham ekku unte it is called as more than half, and less than half means if it is less, half kante takkuva unte it is less than half. In this figure you see children, first you count number of full squares inside the shape green. Inside the shape green, you see here how many full squares are there? Which color? Green color. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many are there? 5. So here you write 5. Next, number of more than half squares inside the shape. Inside the shape more than half. Which color squares you have mentioned there? See blue. Which color? Blue. Yeah, very nice. Now you count that blue color squares. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many are there? 6. So you write here 6. Now you can see we can find the area of the shape by adding the number of green squares and also the blue squares. By adding blue squares and green squares. So first, how many green are there? 5. See, first we have 5. Next, how many we have blue? It is 6. In total we have how many? 11. So, thus we can say that the area of a shape made by a curved line is nearly 11 unit squares. It is 11 unit squares, children. Yeah, very nice. I think you have understood. First we should count the green squares. It is full squares. Next you count the blue squares which are more than half. So blue squares are 6 in total. Then how you should find now area? So by counting the blue squares and the green squares, you get the area of that oval shape. Yes or no, children? Now next coming to the next page, we have here frame a given picture using the strips of paper. You know strips of paper? Yeah, it is like a paper. If you tear the paper into small pieces, it is called as strips of paper. Now there you have the two pictures. One is the children playing in a ground. Here, see, the children are playing in this ground. Yes or no, children? And another one is stop child labor. First picture is playing in the ground and the second picture is stop child labor. Now, I'll ask you a question. Which picture needed more number of strips? Which picture need more number of strips? Longer strips, children. Which picture you need? Yeah, it is picture A. Why? Because here many children are there. You need to make the trees, that clouds, that sky and down that garden. Everything you should need to make. So which picture need? It is picture A. Next, which picture has a larger area too? Which picture? It is picture B, children. It is picture B. So why? Because see, children, here you have gap in this picture, but here in this picture you have no gap. It is completely of box. Yes or no? So picture B. Which picture? It is picture B. Very nice. Now you see next. In activity 8.6, paper strips are used to make a frame. In this activity, we use the paper strips. Yes or no? Paper strips means by tearing the paper, we made that strips. We made that picture. But now you see, similarly in buildings, wood is used to make window frames. Yes or no? In your homes you can see or not window frames. How the windows are made? That not window, children, it is window frame. Yeah, it is made of wood. These frames go around the outline of the window, which are usually in rectangular or square. Once you check your window is in rectangular shape or square shape. Yeah, most of the windows will be in rectangular shape and the outside frame is made up of wood. Next, the length of the outline of any closed shape is called as perimeter. As I said you in the starting class, area means inside and the perimeter means the borders. The borders of any shape. The borders of any shape is called as perimeter. The length of the outline, this outline length of any closed shape, not only square, rectangle, any shape is called as a perimeter. Yes or no? Is called as perimeter. The total length of the sides of a shape give its perimeter. So the total length of the sides will give the perimeter. In example given, the total length of wood used gives the perimeter of the shape. If you count, children, you have a rectangular frame for your wood window. If you count that rectangular window, if you measure it, you will get the perimeter. Means how much wood is used to prepare that window. Yes or no? The longer the wood used is the longer the perimeter. ఎంత పెద్దగా అయితే మనము విండో ఫ్రేమ్ చేస్తామో అంత పెద్ద పెరిమీటర్ వస్తుందన్నమాట. పెరిమీటర్ మీన్స్ ఇట్ ఇస్ మెజర్మెంట్ అన్న. అవుట్ సైడ్ మెజర్మెంట్ ఈజ్ కాల్డ్ యాజ్ పెరిమీటర్. వెరీ నైస్ ఆఫ్ యూ చిల్డ్రన్. Next, you have 8.7 activity here. Use matchsticks to make outlines of simple shapes. So you use matchsticks, no? You play with matchsticks. Yes or no, children? In the first chapter, you made that race. Yes or no? With matchsticks. Like that also. Now use the matchsticks again. Draw the shapes of a given table. In the given table and write the number of matchsticks used as a perimeter. An example has been provided, children. See here, they used 8 matchsticks in the first picture and they made a square. By using 8 matchsticks, they made a square. See here, in the second picture, I have made a rectangle by using 6 matchsticks. How many matchsticks I have used? 6 matchsticks I have used. Now you have counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many I used? Yeah, it is 6. Next, in the third picture, you have another shape. It is an hexagon shape. In this hexagon shape also, as you all know, hexagon will be 6-sided. Hexagon is 6-sided. Here also I used 6 matchsticks. You see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Here also I used 6 matchsticks and I prepared a hexagon shape. Next, shapes formed by using more number of matchsticks will have a longer perimeter. Their perimeter will be very long as you increase the matchsticks. Suppose you make a shape with 8 or 7 or 10 or 9 matchsticks, you get a longer perimeter. Means the boundaries will be very big, no children. If you take more matchsticks, the boundaries will increase. Then those formed by using less number of matchsticks. See, if you take more matchsticks, you will get large number of perimeter. If you take less matchsticks, you get less number perimeter. As I think you all have understood, and the today's homework is complete the companion page number 3 and 4 in volume 2. Complete the companion page number 3 and 4 in volume 2, children. Be safe and tomorrow again we will meet in the next session. Hope you all are good and you are listening to your parents. Bye children. Take care.